Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop poopers. I'm Larry Gerber, the barbecue man, in case you don't recognize the voice. I'm lowering this fire, making medicated Mongolian beef. I've got stem mushrooms. These things, they're really cool. I got French onions, or they call them bulb onions. Or green onions, and I just like the taste in this particular dish. And I used to have a friend, man, he had a Szechuan place, South Elgin, Illinois, and he used to buy my fiery sweet chipotle barbecue sauce for his, you know how Chinese places have Chinese, barbecue ribs or pork. Yeah, he used it there. And I said, yeah, he said, my ribs are better than yours. I said, I don't think so, Yuck. His name was Yang. We called him Yuck. I don't know why. But he split after the owner of the strip mall said, I'm going to double your rent. He's like, screw that, I'm retiring. Okay, cool. But he told me about this. Now, I got those onions, I got some garlic, and I'm using some roasted ginger. Oh, about a tablespoon. Okay, then I'm adding just a punch of this beautiful stuff in a jar. Minced onion, packs a punch. I love it. I'm going to add my salt after this, after I add the beef. And I'm using sliced London broil. Okay? Of course, it's prime. And here we go. And, oh, I don't know. Right here is about 8-ounce serving. And because, I've got rice, steamed rice, to go along with this, so it's quite a menagerie. But I love Mongolian beef. Okay? And I don't know, have you? But yeah, I'm making it medicated, of course. Now I put it on high. I'm gonna give it a grind of pepper, and I'm going to also give it some hot sauce. All right. Now, give another shot of soy. I think that's it, man. I don't like my meat. Well done. And I'm trying to, I don't think I'll ever get it as hot as a hot wok, but it's pretty damn close. Yeah. Let me give it another stir. And I'm going to get it onto that bowl of hot rice. Oh yeah. How long did that take, man? Not very long. Which proves you can make medicated food as long as you have the oil already made, or the butter, or the tallow, or whatever fat you want to use. And you don't have to use water to make your fats. I did a video on that. And I got the receipts from my experts. So, that in mind, let me give you an implement to eat this with. See, I could use chopsticks too. Is this beautiful or what? You know I'm not famous for my beauty shots or my food styling. However, I took you through a menagerie of delicacies and it was only 6 minutes. Make this dish, get some good beef, get some sticky rice. This was leftover rice from the sushi place, man. That's how easy it is. Okay? So grab your free cookbook, go to the comment section, and we will see you next time here on #StraightPoop, poopers. Saying goes, if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose.